Students, will start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 1, real numbers. Okay, now you've already seen what are rational numbers, irrational numbers in standard ninth. Okay, so we'll start with the Euclid's division of algorithm. Okay, now this fundamental this is a theorem of arithmetic. This is an arithmetic chapter. Okay, so we all know that every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. Now, to understand this fundamental theorem of arithmetic, first understand its application. There are two applications of this theorem. Okay, the first one is we use it to prove the irrationality of many numbers, which are studied in 9th standard. These are all irrational numbers. Okay, so they are irrational. For that, to prove that, we are using this theorem. Okay, second is to apply this theorem to explore when this decimal expression of this rational number, which is expressed in the form of p upon q, that is a rational number, is terminating, and when it is non-terminating, repeating. So these are the two applications of this fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, now just turn the page. Okay, and go to the page number 3. Okay, now there for each pair of positive integers a and b, okay, we have two whole numbers q and r. Okay, suppose we have got two integers 17 and 6. Now if you see, when you divide 17 by 6, okay, you have 2 as a quotient and 5 as a remainder. Okay, so for every real numbers, you have got two positive real numbers. Okay, we have got this relation a is equal to b into q plus r, that is a is equal to b into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now this is known as Euclid's division lemma. Okay, so this is the statement of that theorem. Okay, now this is used for the algorithm proving that algorithm, okay, of Euclid. Just turn the page. Now there are two definitions here. One is of algorithm. Okay, that algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure of for solving a type of problem. Okay, so this is proved using a lemma. Lemma is already a proven statement. Okay, this is used to prove another statement. Okay, so previously which we studied, okay, this is a lemma. Okay, now this lemma is used for proving the algorithm. There's one Euclid's division algorithm technique to compute highest common factor, that is HCF, for two given positive integers. Okay, now here if we have got two integers, that is 455 and 42. Now let us see how this is solved. Okay, now you can see the first step is to divide the big number by a small number. That 455 divided by 42, you get 10 as a quotient and 35 as a remainder. Okay, so we express in this form: 455 is equal to 42 multiplied by 10 plus 35. This is Euclid's lemma. Now again, next step, we take these two numbers as a and b and we again divide them. Here we get 1 as the quotient and 7 as the remainder. So again we express in this form. Next we take a and b as these two numbers and again we start division. Okay, now when you divide it, again you get here 35 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 0. So here you get 0 as a remainder, you stop the division. Okay, so the HCF of these two numbers is 7. Okay, fine. We go for the next example. Now if you see, this is example number 1 of your textbook. You have got these two numbers. So you have to divide the big number by the small number. You get this as a quotient and this as a remainder. Again you take these two numbers, your quotient and the remainder as the next number, and you go for the division. So you go on dividing this till you get 0 as the remainder. Okay, so in this step, when you get 0 as the remainder, you stop it. Okay, and here HCF is 4. Okay, thank you.